Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur moving object in KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my KineMaster application, and for example, I'm going to blur this girl's face. I'm going to blur this moving face. If you want to do that, first thing first, we need to add blur effect to our video. You can go to the layer and then select the effect. Okay, then select the basic effect and you have to choose this blur effect. Okay, just tap on the blur and I'm going to make it align with my video like this. And I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, and to make it more blur, we can adjust the effect. You can go to the properties and then you can increase the blur strength. And I'm going to make it super blur. Okay, and I'm going to change the shape as well. We can go to the shape and I'm gonna go with the circle. Okay, and then I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, and to make this effect follow the moving object, we can add animation. Wait, I'm going to tap on the effect and then you can click on this icon. This is like a keyframe, guys. Wait, I'm going to adjust it. Okay, tap on this icon and we can adjust it one by one like this according to the moving object. Make sure that the blur effect can cover the moving face. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, now it's done and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to blur a moving object in KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.